So there's been a lot of talk recently about the impending Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, and it's had everyone buzzing with excitement, even if this new foldable will be built on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Some exciting distinctions are on the horizon, which might make it a game changer in the foldable market. First and foremost, let's talk about the name. Initially, this smartphone was referred to as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which sounded quite sleek, but it appears like Samsung has decided on naming it the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. This name change may seem small, but it hints to a distinct identity for this model. This project has been quite the roller coaster journey. There were even speculations that Samsung was contemplating canceling it altogether. Initially, Samsung's SAS was focused on developing a foldable that could compete with rivals ultra-slim designs, like the Honor Magic V3. However, after several hiccups in obtaining that degree of thinness, it seemed like the project would be shelved. But hang on, the team at Samsung chose to breathe new life into it, and now we're on the verge of an exciting launch. What's more fascinating is that the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition has lately appeared on Samsung's India website. This is a game changer because previous leaks suggested it would be released in a limited number of markets, primarily in South Korea and China. Now that India is involved, it opens the door for more global availability. Who knows, other countries may get a chance to experience this foldable goodness. Speaking of launches, it looks like we have some dates to mark on our calendars. The special edition apparently appeared on T-Shop, a well-known Korean retailer, suggesting a release date of October 18th, with pre-orders running until October 24th and shipment beginning on October 25th, which is just around the corner. Even before the Galaxy Z Fold 6 officially hit the stage, rumors of a more polished upscale version began to circulate, and everyone got excited about the possibility of a fall release, initially dubbed the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. The anticipation is building, and it feels like we're getting ready for something special. Now, let's get to the fun part, the design. This version promised a sleek look that would make it a hot topic among both tech aficionados and casual users alike. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.